Welcome to Brinton Elementary, home of the Brinton Black Bears. I'm Doreen Brindley, proud principal. We are very proud to be an A-rated school from the state of Arizona. Our mission at Brinton is to develop productive citizens and lifelong learners with strong academics and social-emotional skills, one student at a time. We have a cohesive staff that utilizes their experience and skills to ensure that each Brinton Bear is known by name and served by strength and need. Our teachers have lots of opportunities for the students to do STEM activities in the classroom. We do differentiated math instruction with small group and whole group. Every year we have a STEAM fair where students can explore the fields of science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics through hands-on activities. We have representatives from Mesa Community College, Boeing, Northrop Grumman, and a local space maker featuring the Van de Graaff generator, 3D printing, and a binary adder, as well as several make and take activities from our staff. In addition, our school offers a variety of activities to the students like running club, drama club, 3D printing club, and choir. Our PTO is very active. We have grandparent gala, our donuts with dads, and muffins with moms to help to get our families into our school. I love being the principal at Brinton because our staff is awesome. They're veteran teachers with many years of experience. Our families are very supportive, and I love to see the kids' smiling faces.